It all started with Dr. Chris Parkinson. Witty, sarcastic, but a brilliant inventor.
I've worked on this device for over 10 years. That's 10 years of developing voice, hands-free user experience for industrial workers.
So Chris calls Andy up and says, I need you to see something.
I wasn't really interested in anything entrepreneurial, but Melissa, my wife, she pushed me to hear him out.
And he shows us this amazing wearable device.
So we needed a team.
And we know Andy knows some very, very talented people.
So I called Brian Hamilton. Basically,
Beowulf.
Hulk smash.
He's spirited.
And of course, everyone wants to hear what Brian's got to say, so they stop.
Relationships, customers, he's a connector.
I think this is where I come in.
so I call Sanjay Mr. Spock. He basically lives between two worlds.
He's strong and intelligent, but he's also very passionate.
And he really knows how to bring products to market.
So Sanjay brings in the brothers Kolev.
They barely escaped communist Bulgaria by avoiding getting the passport stamped and then smuggling it back for the other one to escape.
They travel to Sweden and they teach themselves Swedish, English,
Polish, Russian.
They built almost every one of Ericsson's products for a decade.
Yavor, he designs and engineers the product for us.
Yasin's the leader of test and acceptance.
So before you know it, we're assembling a team that's been engineering, producing, and selling these types of products for decades.
Stephen Pombo, the man, the myth, the legend.
The Great Pombo.
Just Steven.
91 patents to his name, Atari, and even worked on the concepts for the DeLorean car.
He's got like this mad scientist lab in his garage with all his machine tools and his inventions and his ideas.
Workers needed a wearable device that works for them in their environment.
So Brian Beowulf was the catalyst to get our money, but Sonny Shin, he has been the money.
Every time we've run low, he's out there finding more.
I bring the technology together with the investors.
We're connecting Western and Eastern world through technology, culture, and people.
Andy brings us all together.
He's the fabric that makes RealWear what it is.
Andy is our Captain Kirk, and we'd follow him anywhere.
We started out with very humble beginnings.
We were founded in 2016.
In 2017, we developed the Pioneer kits.
We did over $2 million in revenue that first year of sales.
In 2018, we did hundreds of pilots with customers from the prior year.
This is the year of deployment.
Each year, we will be in 500% growth. It's very amazing.
RealWear is based around knowledge transfer.
Yes, we make a wearable device.
The point is, we're giving people in the field the tools they need to operate hands-free and safely.
In the past, it took months to train, educate, and inform workers. RealWear's turned that into just minutes.
And that's the origins of RealWear.